every time you go fishing, you go out, the expectation, and it's that one thing that stays with you every single cast, that hope of catching a fish. Moving on from that first day, it was really disappointing because we didn't catch anything. We didn't even get a bite. So when you're fishing there for the second time, what's constantly going through your head is, are you going to catch something? But in a way, I guess that sort of motivates you. And yeah. That last day of fishing, we decided we were going to go fishing out a bit late and sort of finish around sunset, which was sick in a way, I guess, and yeah, put us on some pretty good fish too.
Oh my god, Ronnie, it's so huge! What is that?
Cod.
Oh, it's cod. Can you eat that?
No. Good.
First fish. Day 4 was such a different sort of day. We did something that we would usually never ever do, and that is go fishing at the creek. The creek's great in summer, but we never really caught anything there in winter. And yeah, it was interesting to see what we could catch.
Stop.
Let it go.
Gotta tighten it.
No, it's gone. Oh no, still
Stop.
Shark, it's a shark.
It's gonna be.
Hold on.
It's either a shark or an eel.
No, you gotta start reeling it in.
Oh, no, wait.
Hold on, you gotta put it down.
Yeah.
put it down.
Fine, I'm fine, I'm fine.
No, don't try too hard. I was gonna snap.
Oh no, it's definitely an eel. It's shaking so much.
Oh, I see it. It's going around that tree.
Yeah, I thought it was an eel because sharks have more
Yeah.
sharks sort of stay on the like.
Okay, you're gonna have to put the rod out. Put the rod out. Put the rod out. Don't try and fight it too hard, or you're gonna snap.
It's like swimming towards me.
No, it's not. It's stuck in that tree.
Should I just go over there?
Oh, it's not. Oh, the cat.
That was waiting for it.
The last day of winter. I think fishing that day was just like, it was like saying goodbye to something that you didn't really like, and that's probably my best way of describing it. Obviously you're wondering, we didn't catch any fish that day, but yeah, I think this marks the end of Winter Blues 2018.